let's have a look on the headlines. National Youth Adventure Program organized at Manali, Himachal Pradesh. 11th National Adventure Program organized at NAI Karshong, Darjeeling. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrated by NF Railway with various activities. 5 days workshop on self-defense conducted in New Boingaon district. Seminar on OIMS conducted by BSG Meghalaya State. Basic courses organized by the Odisha and East Coast Railway. District level officers meet organized by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides. National level seminar on my rights and me as a leader held at national headquarters. Now coming on to national news. The National Youth Adventure Program was organized at Manali, Himachal Pradesh under the banner of Fit India Movement from 15 to 19 December 2021 under the leadership of Mr. Dhanraj Saini, Office Secretary cum Junior Instructor NYC, in which 46 participants from Andhra Pradesh, Eastern Railway, Karnataka, North Central Railway, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal participated. The participants enjoyed trekking to Parshatol Trek, Hadimba Temple, rock climbing, rappelling, obstacles, river crossing and also visited Solang Valley. 11th National Adventure Program was organized at NAI Karshong, Darjeeling from 20 to 24 December 2021, in which 19 participants attended from Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand state. In connection with Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, members of Bharat Scouts and Guides, North East Frontier Railway, Mariani District Association organized a cleanliness program on 15 December 2021. The Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway Badarpur District Association presented a Nukkad Natak on 19 December 2021 at railway station Badarpur in connection with Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, 75 years of independence. The main purpose of the Nukkad Natak was to highlight the serious issues of the society which are being seen and much avoided by the people of the country. District Chief Commissioner Mr. Deepak Kumar Murmu was also present during the Nukkad Natak. Nukkad Natak was also performed at New Haflong station by the group members of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Lumding District Association. The Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway Badarpur District Association rendered its services at Ram Thakur Sahiba Ashram on 16 December 2021 in connection with Diksha Dan Anusthan, in which 50 rovers, rangers and unit leaders actively participated. The Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway New Boingaon District Association successfully conducted 5 days workshop on self-defense for Scouts and Janadai Jatiya Vidyalaya, New Boingaon. 24 Scouts actively involved in program and learned the techniques to protect themselves in any situation under the guidance of Sensei Deep Jyoti Mandal, 3rd Dan Black Belt and Advanced Cub Master. Mizoram State Bharat Scouts and Guides State Executive Committee meeting was held on 21st December 2021 at the office chamber of State Chief Commissioner Mr. Lal Sangliana. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Arunachal Pradesh State conducted zonal level training and Tritiya Open Testing Camp 2021 at East Sine District, Pasighat from 16 to 21 December 2021. Seminar on OIMS was conducted on 16 December 2021 by BSG Meghalaya State, State Secretary, OIMS Coordinator, Assistant Coordinator and the team discussed on the implementation of OIMS at East Jantia Hills District, Meghalaya. State Secretary Meghalaya, Mr. W. Lingdo, along with State Training Commissioner Scouts and State Training Commissioner Guide, witnessed the 4th winter camp of East Jantia Hills District, Meghalaya on 16 December 2021. Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a meeting with district officials on 20 December 2021. The meeting was inaugurated by Shri Uday Shankar Singh, President Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides, in the presence of Shri Ram Kumar Singh, State Chief Commissioner, and Shri Srinivas Kumar, State Secretary. Shri Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director, Eastern Region, gave the information on state growth strategy. All the district and state officials actively participated in the discussions on the growth strategy. One-day camp was organized by Jawahar Group of South Eastern Railway, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Adra District Association at Karani village, in which 46 Cub Scouts and Rovers participated. On 20 December 2021, Assistant Director Eastern Region had a meeting with Sri Shurjit Singh, District Commissioner of Scouts cum Senior Divisional Personnel Officer, East Central Railway, Danapur. The upcoming programs, opening of new units and development of training course centers were discussed during the meeting. After the meeting, they visited the Divisional Personnel Museum, Danapur, decorated and maintained by the Scouts and Guides. District Secretary and other district members were also present. The virtual basic course for guide captains and scout masters was conducted from 13 to 15 December 2021 at state headquarters, Bhubaneswar. The participants completed the basic training course and prepared to run their unit successfully. 15 participants of guide section and 21 of scout section from different districts of the state attended the course under the leadership of Ms. Priyadarshini Mohapatra and Sri Shurjit Sen respectively. On 18 December 2021, about 100 children of upgraded secondary school Subhankarpur, area of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides performed physical demonstration under Fit India under the leadership of Sri Bajnath Prasad, DOC Scout. Various exercises were performed by the children. They also took oath to boycott single-use plastic. Guide Captain Kumari Bela and Scout Master Rituraj assisted in making the program a grand success.
आठ आठ सात छः
Basic course for guide captains. Physical part was conducted by the East Coast Railway from 20 to 22nd December 2021 under the leadership of Ashraf Jamali, State Training Commissioner, Guides, in which 14 participants took part actively. On the occasion of 31st Inter-District Sub-Juniors Kabaddi Championship inauguration ceremony on 17 December 2021, the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Kurnool District of Andhra Pradesh State performed, marched past and welcomed the chief guest. The rally moved around the village. On 19 December 2021, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Kerala State conducted project of making and distribution of LED stars. The rover crew members learned process of making LED star in a short period of time and distributed it to the houses of the locality. On 24 December 2021, the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Raichuru District, Karnataka State organized Dvitya Sopan testing camp in which 564 Scouts and Guides participated. Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides organized 7 days basic course for Scout Masters and Guide Captains from 15 to 21st December 2021 at Government Girls High Secondary School Rajouri. 35 Scouts Masters and Guide Captains participated in the course. Free sanitary napkins for 3 months were distributed to needy girls under Swasth Balika Swasth Bharat campaign of Bhishma and Jhansi Open Group of Kaithal District of Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 18 December 2021. In total, free sanitary napkins were distributed to 105 needy girls. 3 days yoga shibir was organized at Rajkiya Madhyamik Vidyalaya, Ratkhera, Tohana block from 16 to 18 December 2021. On this occasion, the Scouts and Guides took part in the Havan Yagya performed for the purification of the environment. A rally against drugs was also organized in the village. Jabalpur Division of Bharat Scouts and Guides Madhya Pradesh organized basic training courses for Scout Masters, Cub Masters, Rover Scout Leaders, Guide Captains and Ranger Leaders at Government Model Higher Secondary School, Katni from 10th to 16 December 2021. 55 participants attended the divisional training courses. The message for creating voter awareness was given through question platform and rangoli in the school premises by Scout Master Rajendra Sarvare and Scout Guides of Government High Secondary School, Piplanaranvar, Chindawara under the sweep plan of voter awareness campaign. Dindori District Association of the Bharat Scouts and Guides Madhya Pradesh organized basic course for Scout Masters, Cub Masters, Guide Captains and Flock Leaders from 15 to 21 December 2021 at Government Eklavya Residential School, Dindori. 123 participants participated in the training courses. My Rights and Me as a Leader. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters, New Delhi conducted a seminar on My Rights and Me as a Leader from 20th to 24th December 2021 with 23 young leaders from 18 states under Her World, Her Voice project. Where present, the seminar focused on the legal, constitutional rights where the participants were trained as master trainers to implement the seminar learning in the respective regions. The advocacy learning program stated with trust building, 6 leadership mindsets, a healthy U report enrollment competition, brave space activities, psychological first aid training, digital learning, rights versus responsibilities, women empowerment sessions, a visit to the National Legal Service Authority NLSA headquarters in Supreme Court New Delhi was a wonderful experience to learn NALSA's work culture by Mr. Ashok Kumar Jain, member secretary of NALSA. Everyone deep dived into creating advocacy campaigns for girls and young women taken by Ms. Darshana Pavaskar, Joint Director of Guides. Stepping into their roles of master trainers, everyone created their regional plans. The final day was completed meeting the Lady Singham, Sub-Inspector Kiran Sethi, Limca Book of Records awardee and was trained in self-defense and given detailed knowledge of POSCO and women's rights. All the participants have headed with a motive to lead the advocacy campaigns and cascade the training at their respective regions. For girls, by girls, COVID news. The members of Azad Group, Bhojudi Adra District Association, Southeastern Railway Scouts and Guides rendered their services at 13th vaccination camp held at Bhojudi on 15 December 2021. Forthcoming events 23rd January 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 175/2021 dated 17/12/2021. Trailing webinar on 3R Reorientation, Refresh, Reunion of Old Wolves and Wise Owls. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 174/2021 dated 16/12/2021. National level Tribal Amrit Mahotsav at Rajasthan State. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 171/2021 dated 10/12/2021. Asia Pacific Region Messengers of Peace Heroes Award 2021 nominations. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 170/2021 dated 9/12/2021. The timeline for submission of applications for 25th World Scout Jamboree, scheduled to be held at Korea in 2023, is extended up to 31st January 2022. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 166/2021 dated 6/12/2021. National Integration Camps Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Kolkata, Assam and Haryana. Venue STC Ganganagar, Kolkata from 9 to 13 January 2022. Last date to apply 25th December 2021. South Point School, Guwahati, 9 to 13 January 2022. Last date to apply 25th December 2021. NYC Gatpuri, Palwal, Haryana. Date 19 to 23 January 2022. Last date to apply 31st January 2022. National Open Unit Rally to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 162 dated 3rd December 2021. National Level Youth Week Celebration Camp to commemorate National Youth Day 2022 as a part of year-long celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 161/2021 dated 3rd December 2021. 23rd International Adventure Program at NAI Panchmari. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 159/2021 dated 30th November 2021. Second Outstanding Scouts or Guides of the BSG Award 2021. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 156 dated 23rd 11/2021. Asia Pacific Leadership Award 2023 for unit leaders, district or state commissioners, service to Girl Guides and Girl Scouts, Guide Wing. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 145/2021 dated 28/10/2021.